Oh, there's a dog. There's 2 dogs outside. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's video is going to be an Ipsy unboxing video for July 2020. If you are new and unfamiliar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a beauty subscription box. I am subscribed to their Glam Bag Plus. Their regular Glam Bag is $12 a month. You get 5 sample to deluxe sizes, sometimes maybe a 1 full sizer, but they don't really have too much value to it. They do have some value to it, especially if you get deluxe or full sizes, but once you get into the larger subscriptions like Plus and Ultimate, you get to see the true value of it. And Ultimate, which is the one that I also don't have, the subscription I have is the next one up, which is Plus. It's $25 a month and you get 5 full-size items, usually up to a value of $125 or more. And then there is Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, which I believe is 8 to 9 items, and it's $50 and worth around $250 or more. So you're getting a lot of value, and you're getting such luxurious brands and new brands and indie brands, all these different makeup brands that you either know or don't know. So it's a great way to either start with makeup and you're not sure what you want to buy and you're kind of, you know, wanting to be a little bit more frugal and not spend full price on something, especially if you don't like it, because if you don't like it, then you can give it away. You didn't spend full price, so, you know, nothing earned, but, you know, nothing lost. So without further ado, let's get into this month's unboxing. So I've already opened my box. I don't want to cut myself on camera. I feel like a broken record every time I say that. But here is the card that comes with the box for July 2020. It says, take a break. Underneath it says, airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room dance party or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Then inside it just gives some nice tips on how to take a break, like pedicure or, you know, drink your superfood, stuff like that, because that's really important for your skin. Drink your water, and you know, do your skincare, do some hair stuff, take a break. So the first item in the box, we have the Tarte C Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. It is in the shade Black, and it says, wave hello to effortless volume, formulated for eye-opening volume and curl. Vitamin E conditions, plant waxes lengthen. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this. I've gotten just a mascara earlier in the BoxyCharm box, but my older mascaras I know are getting old. This really cute packaging, kind of like teal minty color with a white top of the wand. Let's look at the wand. Ooh, I love these types of wand because they're not super clumpy, but they're also not too little that they're not even picking up at the lashes. So I'm really excited to try this. Next up in the box for the second item, we have the Yenza Super 8 Lip Oil, and it is in the shade Pink Shine. I believe I saw that Vanessa Lopez got this. Vanessa Lopez is a YouTuber who also does like Ipsy, BoxyCharm, Allure. She kind of does like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus versus a regular BoxyCharm, since they're the same price and worth usually the same type of value, or at least what's promised. So I'm pretty sure I know what shade this is. Yes, this is the exact shade that she got. It's so pink. I think it kind of look pretty with this eye look. I'm so obsessed with lip oils. I got a Clarins lip oil and an Influencer box for free, and those are expensive. They're like $26 for probably about yay much of product, so about 2/3 of this. And I'm obsessed. My lips have not been chapped ever since, but they are pretty expensive. But if my lips aren't being chapped, whereas I think not lip balms, but chapstick is a gimmick, I honestly think they put ingredients in it to make it seem like it's soothing your lips, but actually makes them more chapped. Oh, that took forever to get open. Ooh, it has a doe foot applicator. Very pretty. So it does kind of have that pink sheeniness to it. I'm really excited to try this. I would try this now. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like kind of like a watermelon. I would try this now, but I do have lip gloss on, so, and I don't have anything to wipe it off in my room at the moment, so I will try that on later. For the third item, we have the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. It says here, instantly refresh and moisturize before makeup application with Ciate London's Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Featuring watermelon extract droplets to quench and hydrate, the pink jelly base actively brightens whilst refining pores. Delicately watermelon scented, this unique aqua serum primer grips foundation for long wear with added glow. So I have kind of a lot of primers right now, but I think I'm going to really like this one. I love watermelon scent ones, and I know scents are not really a huge thing for primers, especially you don't really want too much scent on your face, but this is what the packaging looks like. I think it's so cute, and you can see like little beads in there. It is in one of the pump applicators. Let's go ahead and try this on the skin. Ooh, it's very, very aqua based, which I usually like because it's super, super hydrating, and I have combination skin, so I have an oily T-zone and then a dry outer on my face, but more so dry than oily. So I like anything that is hydrating, so I'm pretty excited to try this. So I'm dumb and I totally forgot to show this month's bag. This month's bag is purple with kind of a mint colored zipper, and it has a little airplane zipper. I think that's so cute. For the fourth item in our box, we have the Mid-Flower Pure Series Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Face Mask. So there were 3 of these in the box. It says on the back here, this mask is supposed to revitalize your skin with intense, long-lasting hydration. Hyaluronic acid plumps fine lines and diminishes wrinkles, providing an instant filling and smoothing effect. The natural essence of ancient Chinese herbs and oats soothes irritated, sensitive skin. The revolutionary mask is lightweight with high elasticity. Okay, and then for application, it says open the packet, gently remove and unfold the mask. Apply the mask evenly onto the skin by smoothing it along your facial contours. Allow the skin to infuse for 20 to 30 minutes. For best results, allow the mask to completely dry before removal. Rinse and discard the mask. Massage excess essence into your skin. Lightly rinse as needed. Proceed with your daily skincare routine. I haven't received a mask in either Ipsy or BoxyCharm, so I'm glad to finally get one of these. I know some people say masks don't really do as much because it's pretty much the same thing as moisturizer, but I think this is kind of like a fun skincare thing, and I genuinely see a difference when I do masks. I see more hydration and whatnot. I wish I would do them more. You should probably be doing these at least once a week. Even if it's not a face mask, some type of mask. I got the Glam Glow Berry mask in my first ever BoxyCharm, and that stuff has done wonders for my skin. So for the 5th and final item, I've been saving this one. I'm so excited. I finally received an Ofra highlighter. This one is Glazed Donut, so this is the collab with Nikki Tutorials. If you don't know who she is, you're living under a rock. Nikki Tutorials is an amazing MUA on here. She's been on YouTube for a long time, I believe a decade, if not more, and she's just iconic. So when I first heard about Ofra highlighters, I believe it was maybe 3 years ago, I thought for some reason I confused them with Essence, because Essence is quite an affordable drugstore brand, and I don't think their packaging is quite the same. Maybe kind of like the groove within the product is very similar, so that's why I thought it was the same. And then when I looked up Ofra highlighters, because everyone was raving about them, I was like, oh, let me go check them out, they're cheap. No, I believe this is $30. I will give you prices here soon, but first I wanted to swatch this. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. She is very extreme with her makeup. She loves a cake face, which is fine. I have no problem with that. But I feel like this is a very glow within highlighter. It's not too, there's no glitter to it. It's a very pearlized formula, which I personally like a lot better. The only time I ever really like to wear glitter is if I'm doing kind of like a fun look. So I'm so excited to try this. Okay, so now for prices. First off, we had the Tarte mascara, the C Curl mascara. This retails for $23. Not surprised, I have purchased Tarte mascaras before and they are all usually around $23. I think there might be a few specialized ones that are a little bit higher, but if you're getting a Tarte mascara, they're probably gonna be $23. Next up, we had the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil in the shade Pink Shine. This retails for $28. So how I was talking about the clearance lip oil being $26, this is $2 more. Not surprised, this does have a little more product than the clearance one, so I think you're getting more bang for your buck. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. However, I know that Ulta has a really good lip oil and it is $9. So if you're looking for a good dupe, there you go. Then next we had the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. This also retailed for $28. So on the Ipsy app, it usually tells you the market price of things. This altogether was $15, but I found out that it is sold on Walmart. It's out of stock at the moment, but it sells for $2.55. So actually half the price of what Ipsy is saying. So just if you're trying to find stuff like that, kind of research it and see if you can find it on a retailer site for cheaper, because sometimes what Ipsy is saying may be true, it could be on sale, but these were retailing for $2.50 all the time. So, and then last but not least, we had the Ofra highlighter, which retailed for $30, which gave a whopping total of $124. So this is actually $1 less than what the promised value is. That's okay, I'm not too upset. I think I'm going to use all 5 items that I received, which is great. I don't know if it's my favorite box. I think I did really enjoy last month's box a little bit more. However, I think this will be my most used box because I did a giveaway, and I did give away, I think, items from both my previous Ipsy boxes. So this might be the least valuable one and the one I'm not like the most excited about. However, I am going to use all of this, so I don't see that as a negative. If you are interested in any of my social media, my Instagram is GabAboutMe, also GabbyDebly for my personal one. And then my Twitter is Gabby_Debly. I will have that in the description below. Please follow me. I have people pick out my looks and I post on Instagram a lot about my makeup looks. And then if you could also like, comment, share this video, subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. If you don't, that's totally fine. I'm just glad that you are here and watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye guys.